Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Pay hold near reader not working issue on your Apple devices. So guys, if the Apple Pay hold near reader is not working properly on your Apple devices, here I will show you how can you fix this issue. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general, then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go to your settings again and go to date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically. After this, go back and tap on language and region, and then tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Then go back and now scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN. Again, go back, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply press and hold the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to shortcuts and then go to automation, tap on new automation, scroll it below and go to NFC, tap on scan, and from here check if your Apple Pay hold near reader is working properly or not. And if it is still not working, then go back and go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of support from the Apple team regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.